Hi guys, welcome to Auto Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove background noise in CapCut. So basically you have to go into the CapCut mobile application. So I'm already into it, and you have to select, I've already selected a video and already have selected a background music. So if you want to reduce the music, reduce the background sound, so you have to click on the volume and you have to decrease the volume. In this way you can hear very less sound. So ultimately it is going to fix your problem. But if you want to remove it completely, then you have to buy the paid version of CapCut. So this is the way you can remove the background noise from this CapCut mobile application, and you can use other features of CapCut mobile application too. So here you can see that you have to scroll, and here you can see there is a lot of other options too. You can split the sound in between, you can also change the overlay and all these kind of things. So if you select on the sound, you can see here you will get three options. If you want the much more features into this CapCut, you have to use the paid version of CapCut. So this is it guys, this is how you can use the CapCut to remove the background sound. And if you found this video really helpful, subscribe our channel, like this video. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.